5 side hustles to grow your money in 2025. What if 2025 could be the year you finally take control of your financial future? In this video, we're breaking down 5 side hustles that aren't just trendy. They're proven ways to grow your money with minimal risk and maximum potential. Let's dive in. Got a skill you're good at? Whether it's writing, graphic design, video editing, or even virtual assistants, freelancing is a flexible side hustle that can generate consistent income. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork make it easy to connect with clients worldwide. The key to success? Create a standout portfolio and focus on your niche. As demand rises, you can scale your rates or even build a client base for long-term growth. It's a great way to monetize what you already know. Social media isn't just for scrolling, it's a goldmine for earning. TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram offer ways to build an audience and generate ad revenue, sponsorships, or sales. In 2025, micro-influencers with engaged audiences are in high demand. Don't know where to begin? Pick a niche you're passionate about, fitness, personal finance, or cooking, and consistently post content that adds value. Over time, this can create a steady passive income stream while doing what you enjoy. Digital products are the new passive income superstar. From ebooks to online courses, templates to printables. Once you've created them, they can sell over and over again with minimal effort. Start small. Think about a problem you can solve for others, then create a product like a guide or a template to help. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable allow you to sell to a global audience with ease. Got years of experience in a particular field? Remote consulting is your chance to monetize your expertise. Businesses and individuals are seeking expert advice in areas like career coaching, marketing strategies, and financial planning. What's great about consulting is that you don't need to build a huge audience. Even a few clients can create a highly profitable stream of income. Start by promoting your services on LinkedIn or through your network. Why let your car, camera gear, or even power tools collect dust when they could be making you money? Peer-to-peer rental platforms like Turo, Fat Llama, and Airbnb let you earn extra cash by sharing what you already own. This side hustle is perfect for those who prefer low-effort income. List your items, set your rates, and let the platforms do the work. It's a win-win. You're helping others while boosting your income effortlessly. No matter which hustle you choose, consistency is key. Dedicate time each week, build a routine, and don't give up at the first hurdle. Keep learning, experiment with strategies, and always look for ways to improve and grow. Remember, small steps can lead to big results over time. Your financial freedom starts now. Pick one of these side hustles and take the first step today. Sign up for a freelance platform, start brainstorming digital product ideas, or create that social media account. Don't wait for the perfect time. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe for more financial tips and start hustling smarter.